This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Miguel Solis. Uptown Lofts, best small boutique building in the heart of Edgewater's Theater District. Large 1-bedroom 1-bath open floor plan with extremely high concrete ceilings, open light wood kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, large separate bedroom and walk-in closet, and connecting bathroom for you and your guest, large balcony with a northeast view of Edgewater and the bay. Washer and dryer in the unit and covered/gated parking close to the elevator for easy access to your unit. Pet-friendly building and owner, pool and gym on site, gourmet small market across the street, and close to all restaurants and nightlife that the area offers. Property is vacant and easy to show. Call listing agent for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Miguel Solis at 305-774-5889.